Good morning, Barnyards Builds followers, subscribers, new visitors. Welcome. I would say that now is as good a time as any to give you guys an update with what's going on with my Jetta. So I have a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta TDI diesel, and it is actually right here in front of me. So this car has been down for about 3 weeks now. And what happened is I don't really have a clutch pedal anymore. It's a 6-speed standard transmission, and if you see when I press the clutch down, it kind of stays right there, and there's barely any travel left in it, and I got to pull it back up with my foot. So I've done a bunch of research about this issue, and most people, when this happens to them, you press the clutch pedal in and it literally sucks to the floor, which is not the case with my car, as you just saw. So I've done a bunch of reading online, and I think that it's either the slave cylinder or the pressure plate, something in there. But the issue with these vehicles is the slave cylinder is inside the bell housing, so you got to pull the transmission out to get to it. It's only like $150 to $200 part, but it's in an inconvenient location. So basically, that being said, if you're going to have the trans out with it having about 76,000 miles, it would kind of be silly not to put a clutch in it. So that's where I'm at right now. This thing is going to the shop today. I got to tow it there with the 7.3, and she's going to get the tranny taken out and visually inspected to see what exactly is going on, and we're going to go from there. Primarily, I just put a slave cylinder and a new clutch in it, and the flywheel is okay. But with these vehicles, they have a dual mass flywheel, so they're non-machinable and they're very expensive. So yeah, she's been good to me so far. I definitely want to keep the car, so it's worth the repair, and I don't want to deal with it because it's just a headache. I like the car and I want to drive it again, so that's today's task. Right now I'm going to put this guard back on underneath here. So I had it up on jack stands to poke around and see what was going on. And yeah, then we'll push her out of here, hook up my dad's car trailer, winch it on, strap it down, yada yada. So should be fun. Kinda nice tow anyway. I like towing, so I'm excited for that. But that's where we're at right now. Gotta do a few more things to get this ready to go in the trailer, and we'll be all set, ready to head out. So stay tuned for more. Alright, so I got the rig out, hooked up to the trailer. I pushed the Jetta out of the shed and got it lined up to the trailer. So this is what we're working with. Got the 7.3, my dad's car trailer that tilts with a winch hooked up to the Jetta and the fancy tow hook. So yeah, we're gonna winch it up here and tilt the trailer back down and strap her down and head to the mechanic. So that's the plan. We'll see how winching this beast on the trailer goes. I started pulling it up a little bit. The only issue I have ran into so far is that I can't guide the wire to spool in the right or evenly. So I'm gonna have to ask my dad to come give me a hand. because I don't want it to bunch up with the car halfway up on the trailer. That would not be good, especially on this hill. So yeah, the lights are just on because I have the key in the ignition so the wheel doesn't lock up. But oh, this poor car. This is what she looks like. So let's winch this thing on here and get out of here. So with my dad's help, we were able to get the Jetta on the trailer. And look at this rig. Oh yeah. I hate and I love the sight of one of my vehicles on the car trailer. So usually it means they're broken, but it also makes it feel like a race car. Oh man. So yeah, I'm just gonna chain this thing down, strap it or something, secure it to the trailer, and we'll head out of here.
Honey,